what's up? मैं हूँ आपका host Shreyas. Welcome to Dheya Career Mentors. We build happy careers. So today we're going to talk about
the top 10 careers and best universities in the automobile industry. यानी automobile industry के सारे top careers और best विद्यापीठ.
So before we begin, if you wish to seek a holistic mentoring and do wonders for the rest of your lives, then contact us now at the number shown below. Or visit our website which is www.dheya.com. अगर आपको ऐसे ही शानदार वीडियोस और कंटेंट रोज देखने हैं तो चैनल को जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बाजू में जो बेल आइकन है उसे भी दबाएं। जैसे कि YouTube, धेया करियर मेंटर्स के बाकी सोशल मीडिया चैनल्स भी है, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter एंड Instagram। आप उन पर भी जाइए और उनको भी जल्दी से लाइक एंड फॉलो कर दीजिए। उन सब की लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी हुई है। अगर आपका पिछला एक्साइटिंग और एनलाइटनिंग वीडियो मिस हो गया हो बाय चांस तो उसे वापस जाकर यहाँ पर देखें, नहीं तो उसकी भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी हुई है, आप जल्दी से जाकर देख लीजिएगा। सो गाइस, चलिए विदाउट फर्दर अडू वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। बहुत मजा आने वाला है आपको, एंड तक हमारे साथ बने रहिएगा। लेट्स गो।
Number 10. Robotics Arm Control System. A simple method for the movement of a robotic arm can be monitored and controlled by using a potentiometer. This system is built to control every joint movement manually. The shaft of a potentiometer is attached to the shoulder or elbow joint or motor. Number 9. Vehicle Inspector. The duty of a vehicle inspector is to investigate whether or not a car needs repairs and what kind of repairs. They also ensure that the cars are successfully fixed and also perform post-repair inspections. A vehicle inspector must possess a high school diploma and must receive on-the-job training. Also, must have knowledge of car parts, the vehicle makes and models, processes and service standards, among others. Number 8. Tow truck driver. The tow truck drivers are responsible for arriving in emergency situations to rescue broken down or damaged cars and transport them safely for repairs at a local garage. Tow truck operators may do some or all of the following: tow vehicles such as those that are stolen, broken down or illegally parked to places such as the towing company yard. Remove vehicles from crash sites for the police. Keep records of vehicles that have been towed. A tow driver is required to have a valid driver's license and a clean driving record. Number 7. Car rental agent. In this role, your job duties include greeting customers as they arrive, explaining the rental and paperwork process, upselling insurance and mileage packages, answering customer questions and concerns, assisting customers who have an issue or emergency with their rental vehicle, and updating the rental car inventory. A car rental agent doesn't need to have a formal education degree but must have a valid driver's license and a clean driving record. Number 6. Tire technician. A tire technician services include replacing and repairing tires. Tire technicians work as a part of the automotive technician team at an auto body shop or a warehouse. Tire technicians install, repair, balance and rotate tires for passenger and commercial vehicles. They patch tires, inspect wear patterns and ensure that tires are correctly inflated and properly replaced on the vehicle. This position requires a high school diploma and a valid driver's license, including math skills and experience in car repairs. Number 5. Car detailer. The car detailer will clean vehicles according to company standards or client specifications, which may include performing detailed inspections, thoroughly washing, buffing, and waxing exteriors, vacuuming, steaming, and deodorizing interiors, and keeping records related to gas levels and the condition of the vehicle. A car detailer is responsible for restoring the new looks of a car when it gets dirty by cleaning the car's interiors and exteriors. This position doesn't require a formal education or degree, but experience. Number 4. Auto Sales Manager. An automotive sales manager is responsible for supervising and motivating salespeople and promoting and engaging strategies to sell cars and other vehicles. The auto sales manager is responsible for forecasting, managing a sales team, maintaining inventory levels, overseeing moving parts, and helping customers choose the best vehicles. An auto sales manager must possess a bachelor's degree in business or management and also some years of experience in sales or management. Number 3. Automotive Instructor. Automotive instructors or trainers work for car manufacturers. Their primary responsibility is to teach salespeople at car dealerships about the features and specifications available on the different car models produced by their employers. An automotive instructor works in a classroom or shop environment. Automotive instructors teach high school or college students topics like engine repair, transportation, etc. This position requires a bachelor's degree and a teaching license. Number 2. Auto body technician. The auto body trade is an enjoyable career path for individuals who are creative, technical, and hands-on. If you have love for cars, a steady hand, and an eye for detail, you might find a career as an auto body technician. Auto body technicians fix cars after they have been damaged in an accident or other accidents. An auto body technician is responsible for fixing cars safely and efficiently by repairing car frames, wheel alignments, suspensions, etc. This position doesn't require a bachelor's degree, but an automotive service excellence certificate is required. Number 1. Automotive engineer. The first and foremost requirement to become an automotive engineer is passion and interest in cars and other automotive products. To pursue this course, one should have basic understanding of subjects such as mathematics, chemistry, and physics. Therefore, students who have studied PCM, that is Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics with English as a compulsory subject, are eligible to pursue this course. An automotive engineer designs new cars and seeks to improve current models. Automotive engineers face challenges in the process of designing cars depending on the manufacturer's needs. An automotive engineer must possess a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering and must have STEM skills as well as analytical and problem-solving skills. Some of the top institutes or universities to study and pursue careers in the automobile industry in India are Madras Institute of Technology, Chennai, PSG College of Technology, Coimbatore, SCMS School of Engineering and Technology, Kochi, Veer Mata Jizabai Technological Institute, Mumbai, SRM University, Chennai, among others.
तो गाइस एक भी सारे टॉप करियर्स, आई एम श्योर बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा आज आपने यहाँ से। अगर आपने जरूर सीखा है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, बहुत जगहों पे शेयर भी करें और कमेंट सेक्शन में हमें बताएं कि अगर कौन से टॉपिक पे आपको वीडियो देखना पसंद है। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ट्यूनिंग इन टुडे। हमारे साथ बने रहिए जहाँ पर हम आपके लिए ऐसा ही एक शानदार और मजेदार वीडियो लेके आएंगे। अगर आपका पिछला एक्साइटिंग और एनलाइटनिंग वीडियो देखना रह गया हो या छूट गया हो तो वापस जाइए और उस वीडियो को एक तो यहाँ पर नहीं तो उसकी भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी हुई है, अब जल्दी से जाकर देख लीजिएगा। तो चलिए मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए हैव फन एंड कीप लर्निंग।